Hi everyone, here we've got an OPPO A53 from 2020 and let me show you how to enable the Talkback mode on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll and find additional settings, which are right here. Here we've got the accessibility, so let's tap on it, and we've got the talkback option, so let's enter. Okay, so before turning on the talkback, let's customize it. Let's tap on the settings, and here we've got a lot of options which we can customize. For example, we can decide if we want to speak the passwords, if you want to turn it off, just tap on the switcher like here. You can decide if you want to feel the vibration feedback after tapping, or you can set the gestures, so let's tap here and you can decide what you want to do after swiping up, down, left, right. It's up to you. Simply tap on the option and here you can customize it. But let me leave it like this and let's turn on the talkback. Just tap on the switcher right here. Now your device is telling you that the talkback needs to have full control of your device, so it needs to monitor your operations, retrieve window content, turn on Explore by Touch, monitor the text you type, control display magnification and fingerprint gestures. So if you allow all of those terms, just tap on OK. And now we should hear the talkback. Okay, as you can hear, the talkback is on and your device just opened the talkback tutorial. Of course, you can go through it and learn how to use the talkback, but now I will show you the shortcut of it. So I will show you the basics, so how to navigate and how to swipe. So first of all, let me show you how to choose something, for example, the back button, or how to enter the app, because it is the same way. So let's tap on the back button. You'll see a green frame and of course hear the feedback from your device, and then double tap. As you can see, we just got back to the very first page of the tutorial, so let me do it again. Double tap, and we just got back to the talkback settings. Let me get back again, so tap on it, double tap, and here we are in the accessibility settings. So here I can show you how to swipe. You have to use 2 fingers to do that, this way or this way. But in my opinion, the first option is much easier. So actually, here we've got the shortcut of the tutorial. Here we've got the basics of how to use the talkback. So now I can show you how to turn off the talkback if you do not need it. Just tap on the talkback, double tap, tap on the talkback, double tap, click on turn off and double tap. And as you can hear, the talkback is off. So actually that's all. This is how to enable the talkback mode in your OPPO A53 from 2020. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.